John Milton Public School, Agra. Investiture Ceremony 2026-27. Leadership is not about holding a position. It is about inspiring others through responsibility, dedication, and service. A very warm welcome to everyone watching this special presentation from John Milton Public School, Agra. Today, we bring you the highlights of one of the most prestigious events of the academic year, the Investiture Ceremony for the session 2026-2027. This memorable occasion celebrated leadership, discipline, responsibility, and the beginning of a new journey for our young leaders. On the 29th July 2026, the school campus was beautifully decorated with enthusiasm and pride. Students, teachers, and distinguished guests gathered together to witness the official appointment of the new student council. The event began with the arrival of the dignitaries and a warm welcome, creating an atmosphere filled with excitement and anticipation. The ceremony was graced by the presence of our respected principal, Mrs. Evelyn Nixon, Princess Amarjeet Mishra, Vice Principal Ms. Uma Agarwal, Administration Member Mr. Vishal Bansal, Activity in Charge and Anchor Mrs. Bonita Gomes, Coordinator Mrs. Rima Banerjee, Mr. Govind Chauhan, Dr. Randir Singh, Mr. Rohit Sharma, Mr. Shashi Sharma, and many other respected members of the institution. Their presence inspired every student to strive for excellence. The ceremony commenced with a graceful introduction, followed by the welcome of our honored guests. The atmosphere became even more divine with the soulful Saraswati Vandana seeking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati for wisdom, knowledge, and success. Every moment reflected the values and traditions that John Milton Public School proudly upholds. The most awaited moment of the ceremony was the declaration of the newly elected student leaders. House captains and vice captains of the Green House, Blue House, Red House, and Yellow House were officially announced.
I also request to speak. As the in charge and deputy for the Blue House. Put your hands together. Kindly maintain discipline. I know you all are excited, but if we keep discipline and maintain silence, our program moves ahead. We have the newly elected captain.
Saraswati for wisdom, knowledge, and success. Every moment reflected the values and traditions that John Milton Public School proudly upholds. The most awaited moment of the ceremony was the declaration of the newly elected student leaders. House captains and vice captains of the Green House, Blue House, Red House, and Yellow House were officially announced. The sports captain, assistant head boy, assistant head girl, and head boy were also declared with great pride. As each leader walked onto the stage, they received their badges and responsibilities, symbolizing trust, commitment, and dedication towards the school. The audience applauded enthusiastically as these young leaders accepted their new roles with confidence and humility. Ministered by PTI Mr. Rishi Malik, where every newly elected leader pledged to perform their duties with honesty, discipline, fairness, and integrity. The promise to serve the school community with dedication echoed throughout the auditorium, filling everyone with hope and confidence for the future. The ceremony was further enriched by motivational speeches delivered by our respected chairman and school leaders.
I don't want any discipline, please. The charges have been handed over.
Attention position. Raise your right hand up and look forward. Repeat after me. I. Your name. Read out your name. Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the duties entrusted to me and will do it to the best of my ability. I promise to uphold the dignity and honor of my school and to be a role model for my fellow students. I will respect my teachers, support my classmates, follow the rules and regulations of John Milton Public School, Agra. At ease.
Keep your hands by your side.
To all of you students, respected principals, teachers, Principal of Gopaldas Memorial, Dr. Amarjit Mishra, dear students, जैसा कि आप समझते हैं आपका आज पार्लियामेंट गठन किया जा रहा है और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हमारा देश जब आज़ादी हुआ तो कुछ संविधान लागू किए गए तो उस संविधान के कुछ नियम निर्धारित किए गए थे उस ऐसे ही आपके एक संसद गठन किया जा रहा है जिसमें हाउस कैप्टन हाउस लीडर जो निर्धारित किए गए हैं उन नॉमिनेटेड किए हैं उनको मैं बधाई देता हूँ और आज गुरुओं का दिन है जो आज टीचर के द्वारा सम्मानित किए गए हैं आपको हाउस कैप्टन जो तो मैं अपने स्टाफ अपने मैनेजमेंट और नॉमिनेटेड स्टूडेंट जो चुने हैं उनको मैं बधाई देता हूँ और जो फॉर्मर स्टूडेंट हैं उन्होंने चार्ज दिया है जो और उनको भी बधाई देता हूँ जो स्टूडेंट हैं बहुत बहुत बधाई और अपने मैनेजमेंट को बधाई के पात्र हैं और सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Not to leave the stage, sir, please stage पे ही रहिएगा। There is a small announcement for the deputies. Kindly be present as tomorrow you all will be getting your badges. Now it is a time for all the hard work to be paid. Before Sir announces the house, I would request all the dignitaries to come on stage. Respected Principal Ma'am, Amarjit Mishra Ma'am, Uma Ma'am, and Reena.
They encourage students to become responsible citizens, compassionate individuals, and confident leaders. The newly elected head boy and head girl also addressed the gathering, expressing heartfelt gratitude for the trust placed in them. They assured everyone that they would work tirelessly for the welfare of their fellow students and uphold the dignity of the institution. Another proud moment of the ceremony was the announcement of the overall House Trophy for the session 2025-2026. This prestigious honor was awarded to Blue House, Gandhi House, for its exceptional performance throughout the academic year. The trophy was presented by Administration Member Mr. Vishal Bansal. Special appreciation was extended to House In Charge Mrs. Neetu Singh and Deputy House In Charge Mrs. Baby Sharma for their dedication, teamwork, and continuous encouragement of the students. Congratulations to Blue House on this remarkable achievement. As the ceremony concluded with the vote of thanks, the entire school community celebrated a new beginning, filled with dreams, determination, and leadership. The Investiture Ceremony was not just about awarding badges, it was about inspiring young minds to become responsible citizens and future leaders. At John Milton Public School, leadership is nurtured through discipline, service, teamwork, and excellence. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the newly appointed student leaders and wish them a successful and inspiring tenure. Special thanks to Mr. Lalit Singh for the excellent photography and event coverage that beautifully captured every memorable moment. Leadership today, here's tomorrow. Thank you for watching this special presentation of the John Milton Public School Investiture Ceremony 2026-27. To Schools Junction for more inspiring school events, achievements, and educational updates. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.